Hey guys, it's Dami, and in today's video I'm going to do a live unboxing of this AirPod 3s that I got from DHgate. As you can see, it comes sealed. It has the serial number. I'm going to use my iPad to pair it because I'm using my iPhone to record and have a camera. Yeah, you know how it is. So these are my original AirPod 3s that I've been using for like a year now. You can't see, it pops up. And now we're gonna try and unbox these and compare them to the original 3s that I have. So, pull tab. That went smoothly. Wow, okay. That went smoothly. And the other one. Yeah, so that's what happens sometimes when one works, the other one doesn't, but it's okay. So we're gonna just open it up. There we go. It smells like an Apple product. For real. Gonna keep this to the side. Designed in Apple in California. We're gonna just look at these. You know, the standard, the usual. But no Apple stickers though. Now, the main attraction of the show, the AirPods, but first let's look at what's inside. And yeah, sometimes you gotta fix that. Yeah, it comes with the charger. I believe it's, oops, sorry for the shake, it's USB-C to Lightning, so that is cool. And it comes with this little pull tab here, which you have been up, but that's okay. We can just slap it right back down. Cool. And we have the AirPods. So, because I'm gonna try and resell them, I tell my customers that, oh, these ain't real. I never sell fakes as real. Never do that, it's too much of a hassle. But yeah, I'm gonna just open this up. Out the sleeve, put them down there. See? So, one thing it's gonna do is it's gonna say, oh, not your AirPods, right? So this is the fakes, these are the real. In terms of weight, pretty identical. You can see that. Even the writing too. Then let's focus. There we go. Somebody in Apple. So the fonts are, this is made in Vietnam, in China. It's not focusing much on this one for some reason. It's kind of faint, but this is more legible, I guess because it's old, so yeah, it's rubbing off a little. And then some dirt here, but you know, it's brand new, so it's gonna do that. To pair it, I'm gonna open it up. Try again. Cool, so that's just a fluke. Normally it should pop up like this on the first time opening it. So you're gonna press connect, and then you're gonna hold the button at the back to pair it. It's gonna glow white as it's pairing. There we go. Just have to hold it down for longer, I guess. It's connecting. Boom, connected. So there you go. It's gonna tell you the battery percentage and everything. I'm gonna press continue. And then I'm just gonna change the name real quick. AirPods 3. There we go. So as you can see, limited warranty, expires in 2025. It is covered. It comes with the version number and serial. So 5B5, that's it. And then if we check my original ones, so older version, but I don't think anyone's really gonna care. Spatial audio doesn't work on these. That's just the only thing I would pretty much say. But let's give it a quick sound test. Or what I could do is this. I could have, okay, I'm gonna have the fake ones in my right ear and the real ones in my left ear. So I'm just gonna take this out gonna take this one out too. So I have both AirPods in. First thing I could say is that the threes block the sound in more. I could still hear the outside with the originals. I think that's just because of these ones not being the exact same size as the real ones here. The pods are really identical. Oops. Okay, let's put them in the ear. And we're gonna just play like a video real quick. Let's play a song. I'm just gonna type in Ghana. And then let's just play one of the songs here. I don't think this is connected. Let's try doing this again. I could just do it here. Okay, I'm gonna, okay, cool. So they're both connected, and, oops, I'm gonna do that again. Just gonna try and put them at the same volume, you know, same volume, and let's play this. Bass is hitting. Sorry about that. These ain't connecting. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this. We're gonna go here and we're gonna forget this device. Quick. Forget them. I'm gonna go back, go from the bottom, share audio, open them up. It's not connecting that way for some reason. But we're just gonna do a comparison test. Okay. Okay, we're disconnected. So what I could hear from that test alone is that, and let's pause that, it's distracting. What I could tell from that test right there was that the bass was kind of hidden more on the fake ones, on the originals, right? They were hidden more on the fakes than the originals. I think that just because this feels in your ear more, I think it's just slightly bigger. So that's just the main difference in these two. They sound the exact same, feel the exact same, sound is the exact same, and these were the cheapest AirPods from the link down below in the description. And you really can't tell the difference, apart from this just having the sound coming in when you have them on. Like this, it's completely sealed. You can't hear anything. So that's the only down part. And you don't have Hey Siri, but Siri works. Voice memo, I've tried them before. Actually, I used to have these, the fake ones before. The voice memo recording is the exact same, so I think it should work as well on phone calls without anyone saying it's muffled or anything. So yeah, for AirPods that cost me $23 because I bought about 5. It's a good price. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and all I can say is that these are amazing compared to the real. They sound the exact same. It's just that you can't hear too much when you have them on. You can hear some sound, but not as much as the real ones. But for some people, I guess that could be fine. For some, it's not. But me, when listening to music on my AirPods, I like to hear what's going on around me a little bit. But if you put them on high volume, they do block out the sound. Yeah, they do block out the sound when you put the real ones on high and the fake ones on high. So, but if you bring down the volume lower or just have them in ear without any sound, you do kind of not hear as much when these are just in your ears without any sound, like these ones. But I've rambled on and off about that, but that's the only thing I'll say that's the difference. Yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.